Here's how to use the touch climate control in your Mini with Mini Operating System 9. To set your desired automatic temperature, simply tap and adjust by pressing plus or minus at the bottom of the central display. Tap this symbol to manually activate or deactivate seat heating or steering wheel heating depending on the equipment. Let's dive deeper. Tapping the fan symbol at the bottom opens the climate menu with all settings. Here you see how the system works, with relevant functions in direct access. Auto mode regulates the interior temperature as well as steering wheel and seat heating intelligently for the driver's and the passenger's side. With Sync, you control the temperature in both front seat zones together. Adjust the airflow by tapping the small or big fan symbols. Here, you can switch to the manual mode. Click the arrows to activate or deactivate air volume in the sections and regulate the air volume on the side. Press Auto to get back to the automatic mode. Cool feature! Pressing Max AC automatically sets all ventilation functions to the max and the AC to the lowest possible temperature. Press AC to turn the air conditioning on or off, while ventilation stays on. Press the setup symbol in the corner for general climate settings, like adjusting individual preferences for automatic steering wheel and seat heating. This is also available for the passenger seat. Here, you also find your personal settings for pre-climatizing your Mini's interior for departure. Use the arrow to get back to the climate menu. No climate control needed. Just tap the power symbol to turn off all climate functions. The controls for max defrost mode, as well as the rear window and mirror heating, are underneath your toggle bar for quick access. Or simply tell your Mini,
Hey Mini, raise temperature to 24 degrees.
Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.